You see such high quality animated explainer videos on YouTube, but what if I say you can build this too in just seconds with the help of Claude Code? And this video will be a proper setup guide and example guide and how you can do it all in just a few minutes. So yeah, watch this video till the end because we'll see so many different examples and we will set up it on your own machine. So simply just have to go to Claude Code just for a quick example and look at this one video which I'm truly fan of. This is an explainer video of explaining different hurricane in ocean, in earth, and this looks pretty cosmic by the way. And just leave it from here and let's start about how we set up all these things because these are just trailer. So this is Claude Code. If you don't have Claude Code, go simply to Claude Code website. Here you can just download it, link is in the description. And once you have Claude Code, all you need to do is use this tool called Remotion. So Remotion is a tool that helps you to generate cool animated videos with the help of coding agent. And so this is remotion.dev. You can go to their website. All the link is in the description. So I will go to the Claude and say, what, go and set up this remotion.dev. And once it's set up, run the server. Yes, that's all you have to give a command. You don't have to do extra step. Most of the things will be handled by Claude Code. And once it's set up the Remotion, it's time to now for prompting and see different examples on how we can create such high quality explainer videos, whether you can use it on YouTube or whatever you want. So first example, I created, create a network visualization, has to be like 200 moving nodes, animated packets, curved connections, camera zoom, performance optimize, node frame drop. And this looks really clean by the way. So this was just testing, I was just checking out like how the Remotion works, and it is probably blowing my mind because look at these nodes shining. It looks proper videos, but what if I tell this is not video, just coding stuff and it creating an interesting video. Now let's go a little serious and talk about how we can actually create some cinematic even videos with this. So I just said hey, prompt a cinematic night highway animation. Sleek black sports car drives through a futuristic city at night. The camera starts behind the car, then slowly circles around, and of course you can see the entire prompt is on screen. It should be a neon vibe, proper cyberpunk, and you can see it like almost like a car windshield driving through the a street. You can see these buildings. It's kind of endless survey surfer type of stuff, but it looks really clean and 3D. So yeah, this is just the start of Remotion's actual capability. Now as we will grow up, we will start to I try to create a rocket animations. I know for a fact that you might be wondering like what exactly rocket animation. Now look at this rocket launch animation, and this looks a proper 3D actual, the camera shaking, the way it's releasing smoke, it's very repulsing, and the way the camera is actually shaking looks really good on the launch pad. And this is what I'm talking about. Creating these animations was very hard, and we actually did it. The prompt is on your screen by the way, so yeah, don't worry that the prompt is pretty it's not there. Everything is there. You just have to look how we prompted. Well, if you're still wondering how we prompted the rocket scene, it was very simple. You can just see the screen. We said we did some details like it should be flickering, continue tracking as a rocket ascends to the frame, rocket whenever it's flying. Now let's see some more examples because there is much more in the game. For example, look at this example we made. It's called cell evasion. So it's like inside your body. It's a proper biological cells that is like kind of inside your body. It's slowly inside growing and becoming a cell evasion. So this is more like random fun animation explainer which I tried, and this looked really well. Now let's talk about another one which is like very cool. So I created another underwater diving animation with the help of Claude Code. Look at this. So there's this person, this cartoon driving in underwater. You can see the different fishes here and different everything here, and this looks really clean. And by the way, all the this entire setup link is in the description. And one thing, these prompts are pretty simple than I thought. Like simple prompt, just create a proper background, a proper sprites for these animations. It should be like proper scuba diver model, it should be like over the rising bubble particles from diver's mouth over 2000 frames moving sides to follow the the diver. And look at this more examples. For example, look at this DNA repulsion one. This is one of the best explainer I think I've built with this remotion. This talks about proper DNA 3D structure, what the part of the DNA, whether it's enzymes, proteins and nucleoids, leading strands, and all these things explained with just help of code. And imagine you using these clips on your YouTube and creating such engaging visuals which can actually grow you very hard. For example, look at this solar system animation we tried to make from Claude, and this is also looking really well. It's like probably a zooming out from where like a rocket has been launched and we are getting zoomed out. And look at this black hole 3D explanation video we talked about. So it's a 12-second video. What we talk about is like it's a proper explaining what exactly is black hole, whether it's photon sphere and disk and everything about it, event horizon. So yeah, if you're serious about such explaining videos and some kind of stuff, for example, look at this undersea cable network. So the cable internet undersea, how they operate, where are they all. Look at this this animation. It talks about this entire globe, how this internet entirely working with these sea cables, with the entire constellation model. And this is what I'm talking about. Like these kind of animations were very hard, like before the help of Claude Code. Now we can create such animations so quickly. So even if you don't want have some huge studio animation, you can still do such cool things. For example, look at this animation of explaining the life of a tree. It slowly grows. The tree has 3 branches, purple, orange, green, and it slowly grows and looks really cool. So yeah, explaining about the tree's life cycle is also cool. For example, I talked about the aerodynamics of a plane, how how this entire aeroplane things works, how a wing makes lift, and this is looking really cool. Look at this, these red things is probably the closest air that's colliding. And all I'm talking about is that Claude Code and Remotions are a banger when it comes to creating such cool kind of thing. For example, look at these one. We have already seen these in the intro. This is called explaining volcano. So we make a 12-second video explaining volcano with its magma chamber to conduit to everything from this lava flow to the entire surface area to proclastic cloud. And this is all possible because of course the Claude Code did a really well job. And so yeah, one thing I want to talk about is that it is still not very best at some things. For example, look at this. I tried to make an anime fighting scene, and it kind of created just a weird class of stickman cartoon animation, but I think that's fine for now because I think there is more to go. For example, I created a cyberpunk cityscape dusk, which looks really bad actually. I wanted to create a proper city-wide 3D look, but I think we can create it with the help of 3JS, which we'll cover in our more videos. So you guys should comment what you want next. So yeah, I think we're almost covered that entire thing by Claude Code. Now let's talk about how we're gonna prompt these up, because prompting them is a really interesting thing. So you can go to simply ChatGPT, and here you can describe your scene in a very outlining format. For example, you want a scene of a scuba diving. You can say just simple scuba diving scenes we want from remotion.dev, and I want the prompt to be detailed, more descriptive. And yep, now the descriptive prompt is here. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.